Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the teacher. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, so it's a little bit fast. And then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very easy to draw. The only tricky part is kind of like the ruler, but we'll take it one step at a time. So now we're going to draw in the head first, so it's just going to be one big circle. Alright, so after this circle, we're going to draw in her nose, and it's going to be pretty big. So right in the middle right here, just draw another circle. Okay, so it's basically just a one big donut. Alright, and then now for her eyes, just come on an angle right here. Draw another circle. So same thing here. Just whatever space you have in between here, just draw one circle. And then it looks like there's a little bit of outline here. I'm just gonna draw another circle all the way around. Hope you guys can see this. I know it's kind of small. So just draw another circle all the way around. Okay, and then now for the cheeks, right in the middle right here, just come out. Let's draw a little egg shape. Okay, and then for the ears, I'm gonna start right here on the corner of the eye. Just go up. You can make a little point. And then right here, I'm just gonna go up and down. Okay, so for this side, same thing here. Find the edge, just go up. Go up and then come back down. And then now for the really cool looking horns. So just start on this point here, just come out to the side. Just one big curve going up first. Just go all the way up. So let's draw this side first. So just come out. Just curve right over the ears. And then now for the very tip right here, you can make a little point on the bottom here first. Just come out on the side of the eye. Make a little point. So we know we're gonna connect to this. So we'll start on the tip. curve all the way down and go to that point. Okay, so that's the head, and for the body, yeah, this one's very easy to draw. There's no legs, we can't really see everything's behind the dress. So we're gonna start here. Just gonna draw 2 lines like this first. Okay, so our armpit's gonna be right around here. And then now for the gown, we go all the way down and just kind of flare out on the bottom. Okay, so from this point here, to draw the bottom, I'm gonna come to the middle, just come down slightly, you can make a little point, and then I'm gonna go all the way out to the side, just gonna give it a little bit of a wavy line. Okay, and then wherever you have these little indentations going up, we'll just draw a little line to make it look like folds. And then on the top as well, we can add a few lines. Okay, and let's see, let's start out with this side first. Here's the armpit. Go out to the shoulder here, curve down. And then now we're gonna draw in one long bracket here. And then for a hand, it's one little hook for the thumb. And then right here, just add a little line. Here's the back of the hand. And then for the finger, we just curve down. Okay, so just go back up and make it nice and smooth. And then for the other fingers, I'm just gonna add one little hook. Alright, so now let's draw in the other hand, and here's the armpit. So here's the shoulder, this part's gonna be the same. Bottom here, again, just one long bracket. And then now for the hand here, it's gonna be holding the ruler. So we're gonna try to draw in with a little bit of a perspective here. So I'm gonna start on the thumb, just come down, just one little hook. I'm gonna come across. Okay, from this corner here, I'm gonna slant down. Come back to this corner right here and draw the same slant. And then when you close this off, just close it off with a horizontal line. So this is gonna be the top edge of the ruler. Okay, and then we're gonna start right here. Just come down, draw one long rectangle. And then from this point here, we'll connect to the thumb. So it's a little bit thinner right here because we're seeing things in perspective. So that's gonna be the ruler, and then to finish up the hand, just right here, one little curve right behind the ruler. And we can add in some lines right here. Just all along this edge, just draw some vertical lines for the ruler. And that is it for this teacher. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.